Good morning, people. I'm back at work. I hope you have a nice day. I will try and have a nice day too. Enjoy yourselves. Cheers. Bye. Check this out. Look at that. Wow. It's snowing. Wicked. Amazing. Look at that. Snow time. Hi guys, how you doing? Now that was not nice. It's now 12:47 and half of my shift is nearly finished. I'm going to have a little break and carry on with my day at work. Sometimes I think, what have I got myself into with this YouTube channel? It's mad. It's really mad. You can actually express your feelings, express your insides. Yes, peeps. I'm nearly finished. I've got 1 hour left. I've got a few things that I have to do before I'm done, and before I pass my handover, I need to finish some emails and some paperwork, and then go back home. See y'all. Guys, listen to this, yeah? I'm on some Facebook groups so I can show my cooking. And look at this. Right? Man wrote, my Fed post here, am I welcome, right? Some person wrote, maybe you cook for your pig. That's deep, bruv. I had to change the story, look. Looks like biryani or rice. Anyway, catch you guys soon. So what, guys? It's my home time now. I'm gonna go home, relax, and munch my foods, and I'll call it a day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye bye.